Meaning of feather.
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 Feather. A feather is a light, flat appendage that grows from a bird's skin and covers its body. It is made up of a central shaft with many branches called barbs, which in turn have smaller branches called barbules. These structures interlock and form a flat, flexible surface that helps birds fly and regulate their temperature. Feathers also provide camouflage and display for courtship or territorial behavior. They have been used by humans for various purposes, such as writing, decoration, insulation, and fashion. Overall, feathers are fascinating and versatile structures that have evolved over millions of years to suit different biological and cultural needs.